A weak disturbance to New England's west will bring unsettled conditions to New England over the next 24 to 36 hours. As this disturbance approaches New England, a warm front will slowly lift through the region. This front will provide the focus for precipitation across New England. While precipitation will be light, the combination of snow and ice has resulted in winter weather advisories being issued. Overall, this will be a low impact, more nuisance type weather event than anything else. The overall setup across New England will allow for the precipitation to be snow at the start of the event on Tuesday afternoon and evening, and going into the overnight hours. Warmer air from the front will slowly work into New England aloft. In the evening and overnight, temperatures will likely remain below freezing from cloud to ground, allowing snow to fall. Some mixing may occur in Connecticut and Rhode Island at the onset of the precipitation in the afternoon if it starts soon enough. For most of New England, precipitation will not begin until well after dark, after temperatures have dropped back below freezing from afternoon highs. Periods of light, scattered snow showers will continue through the overnight hours into Wednesday morning. By Wednesday afternoon, the air aloft will likely have warmed above freezing for much of New England as warm air pours in from the south as the warm front traverses New England. At the surface, however, a strong area of high pressure to the north of New England will keep temperatures cooler at the surface. Whenever you have warm air aloft and cold air at the surface, it is a prime setup for mixed precipitation. Also, by Wednesday afternoon, a lull in the precipitation is likely for most of New England. There will be lingering showers, both rain and snow, and mixing possible throughout the daytime hours despite the lull, so it won't be totally dry everywhere the entire afternoon. Overall, Wednesday will be a damp and raw day across New England. By Wednesday afternoon, light snow accumulations will have occurred across much of New England, with light to at times steady snow dominating. Amounts will be very hard pressed to exceed 3 inches anywhere. This will be a light, fluffy snow that does pile up easily. There just won't be the intensity to pile it up too much. Wednesday evening will see the warmer air aloft continue to expand. This warmer air, which is really just air above freezing, will arrive at the surface in southern and lower elevation areas first, leading to a changeover to plain rain showers. Areas that remain below freezing at the surface will stay with mixed precipitation. Precipitation will generally begin to fill back in during the evening after the afternoon lull. The warmer air will continue to work northward in New England during the overnight hours from Wednesday to Thursday morning. This will gradually change the mixing to plain rain showers from south to north and from lower elevations to higher elevations. The mixing area is where the greatest chance for freezing rain will be located during this time frame. As stated before, warmer air aloft will be working into New England while colder air remains at the surface. The depth of the layer of warmer air decides what type of frozen precipitation will fall. A deeper layer of warmer air will result in freezing rain, while a more shallow layer supports sleet. Right now, it looks like the warmer layer will be deeper as the mild air continues to erode the cold air. This would support light freezing rain and drizzle over sleet. Fortunately, as this is not a heavy precipitation event, icing looks to be minimal, with currently low probabilities of anything more than a tenth of an inch falling. This will still cause very slippery surfaces, but it will have no impact on trees or utilities. By Thursday morning, much of New England will likely have switched to plain rain showers, minus the eastern slopes of the Green Mountains, as well as northern New Hampshire and northern Maine, where continued mixing and freezing rain is possible. Like Wednesday afternoon, Thursday's precipitation will be very light and scattered around. Another disturbance will traverse New England likely Thursday night into Friday as the stalled frontal boundary hangs around. After a couple days of warm air advection, however, into New England, this will be a primarily rain event for New England by this point. Total rainfall amounts from Tuesday through Friday will come in at an inch or less, so unlike our previous systems over the past month or so, flooding will not be a concern with this one. Beyond this unsettled wave, a coastal storm is looking to approach New England late this weekend into early next week. Over the past 24 hours, models have trended the storm closer to New England, but a wide range of track possibilities still exist, and the track will play a large role in the precipitation. There's not much cold air ahead of this system, so a rain snow line will likely come into play, and another shot of very cold air could follow this storm on Monday.